all this substance of the computers. The basic illustrations of these computers, almost there's nothing truly existence, intrinsic characteristics. But in the conventional, we can to describe different illustration, different properties of the part of the computers. These are two ways in which one can understand all that can be known. What we need to be known, phenomena of the samsara, phenomena of the nirvanas, particularly in the conventional phenomena, that we need to be known. We need to knowledge how it is, our conventional realities. It's your conventional, your own individual universal, your own individual, your life. That you need to know about that. May we think this conventional word, it is not mine, it is the commun's. How we can to share, to say the commonly. Communal things is not substance, absolutely imputed. Just the name. It's not kind of existent things. What we perceive, each individual person's directly, clearly, front of our each individual faculties, form, sounds. That is the real sound forms, because you have vivid, clearly, direct into your mind. That we need to analyze. That is the to be known our own individual yourself. And true that there is the phenomena. Of course, lot of categorize, overuse. And we can go more further to make the elaboration. True that this two-way, substance, imputed. Substance is the kind of realities. If you say the human beings, it is imputed. Why? Because human beings, this sound is not truly existence. Maybe we can to change, that is. Maybe we can to say the transmigrations. Human beings, not existence. But each individual saying that who is human beings, that this is human beings, I am human beings. Why? Because I have some substance. I have each individual properties. And I have individual intrinsic characteristics. There is incontestable nature and sense of mind, verb, bodies, and there are specific characteristics. And that is not really impute, but more coming close. If the substantial existence of our body, speech, mind is like Ayer's paths applied for applications mindfulness. Body itself, each piece, each part we imputed, but not really substantially something existence. Just superimpositions. It is like Brahma's dogs, they call the lion. But Brahma's dog is not lion. It's not truth. But the honor of the Brahmas to consider my dog is lion. Lion, not liar. But this kind of conceptuals, misunderstandings through the superimpositions, then we are all very much confused. But to first timers, precisely, decisively, confirmly or the firmly establish truly truth of the conventional truth. Oh, now I understand. Relative truth is like this. Relatively, how we can to act, how we need to do. You have such knowledge. What is correct, what is incorrect, what it is, what is not it. You have such knowledge. This knowledge is to make happy for yourself, to make happy others, to make comfortable, perfect for the relative realities. But that is not nothing enough. After the tea, we need study absolute truth.